had this. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, got hair in my mouth. I've not set this up, but this is literally what's in my bag. I understand that it's going to be a mess. I think there's a lot of receipts in here. What else I'm going to find in my bag? Been nervous about this, but let's have a look what's in my bag, everybody. The first thing that I spotted is this. It's another bag. It's a bag inside a bag. Yeah, my mum does this. It makes sense because in this bag you can put, you know, your purse and stuff that you need easy access to and you don't want to get lost in the plethora of other bits in your bag. The only issue is I don't think there's anything in here. Other bits. What is this? Oh, it's a gift card. That's useful. Nothing in that compartment. So this bag is just in my bag for the gift card apparently. So that's a thing. An envelope. An envelope with nothing in it. Oh, this is the letter. That's my X-ray letter. It's good. There's so much crap in here. Right, it's good I'm doing this video. I can sort it out. My trusty headphones. They're my first pair of like wireless headphones and I am not going back. Nah. A hair bubble. Ooh, it matches my attire today. That's handy. Of course, my purse. I like this purse. I probably do need another purse because that's annoying now I'm looking at it. It's broken. I think it would look less stupid if I broke the other jewel off it. You gotta have your sunglasses in your bag, right? These are my cool sunglasses. Some Colin the caterpillars, everybody. They're a bit squashed. Keeping me fueled. Oh, I wish I hadn't forgotten about those. A lipstick. This is a Rimmel lipstick. Yeah. And this is just like an everyday. This is like a touch-up, I'm desperate lipstick. That's what I would say. They're not my favourite. This one's okay. It's a nice colour, but they rub off really easily. But also they're quite forgiving, so I am all Charlotte Tilbury. But if you're out on a train, only have your phone, only have a phone for a mirror, I'm not the best at putting it on, and sometimes like a jerk and then it smudges all over your face. Whereas this one, if you have a little smudge, it'll just wipe off, it's fine. Which is why you have to touch it up so much, which is probably why it's in my bag. Sugar Plum is the shade. This is an Arbonne hand cream, shea butter. This is why you need the hand cream. Hand sanitizer. I only had like one bottle of this going into Crazy Town, which was a bit upsetting because I normally carry it in my bag. Without it, I was a bit like, oh no. But I got some. Although it's like treble the price it used to be. What is up with that? What's this? I forgot I had this. My partner loves AliExpress. He is on it. Quite often gets me stuff, and I think this is one thing that he got me. I can't remember what it is. It's always a little bit ridiculous, but that's okay. Like, it's nice to have ridiculous kind of jewellery. Where does it go? I don't think it goes this way. This is dope, man. I think it does go like that. I don't know if it's meant to go back. Oh, this is awesome. This is staying on now. Staying on. Don't knock it off. I got another lipstick, another throw-on lipstick. This one is a NYX one. Good old NYX. Always got your back. Pretty much gone. Nice pinky colour. MLS09. Natural is what this is. Oh no, I'm gonna sneeze. Hold it in. Good. This is a battery charger. What's it for? I know what it's for. It is for an LED whip, everybody, that I got for my birthday, which is badass. Good. Well, I'm pleased I kept that in a safe place. Oh, look. Some more hand moisturiser. This one's Body Shop Sheer. Vaseline. You know, for those dry lips. After putting all that lipstick on. Magic lips. This stuff's awesome. Look at it. It's green. It changes, like, the colour it goes on your lips depends on the pH of your lips. I think that's right. But it goes like bright pink on me. Magic Lips Green. I think this was a thing when I was a kid. I vaguely remember people having these at school. I don't know, I might be wrong. Let me know in the comments below if you remember this from school in your late 20s. Well, even whatever age you are, let me know. But especially if you're like my age, kind of, it'd be interesting because it might just be a false memory. It's so warm in this office. I've also got like a light on, it's burning me down. But we're nearly there, which is good because I've got dominoes coming up. I've got, I thought I'd have more of these in here. A hair bubble. I never wear this hair bubble. This is probably because it's in my bag. I didn't know. I remember buying this hair bubble in Singapore because I'm fancy. Came from this quite upmarket looking shop, and I think this hair bubble cost like £15. I think the exchange rate. My mum was like, "How much do you like it? Because that's expensive." And I was like, "I really like it. I'll wear it all the time. I never tie my hair up, and I would if I had this." Yeah, I don't wear it. A marker board pen, and another marker board pen, and a normal pen. That's good. I feel like you need pens in your bag. There's so many times when you're out and about and someone's like, "Has anyone got a pen?" And I'm like, "Yes." Bubblegum gum. And I've got ice gum. Receipt. I think that's it. I think we're done. Just receipts. And I don't really want to go through my receipts with you all. We're done. Boom. Shake the room. That wasn't too bad. Like, that was pretty boring, to be honest with you, wasn't it? Like, I hoped there'd be more exciting stuff in my bag. Kind of hoped it'd be like Mary Poppins and pulling out cool stuff left, right and centre. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. And let me know what you thought of my video in the comments down below. I really want to get to 20 subscribers. That would be amazing. I will do something special to mark the occasion. So yeah, I mean, I know 20 sounds lame, but for me, like 20 is huge. So let's get to 20 subscribers, guys. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it, because I want to plan something exciting and do more videos and it'll be dope. So let's get on it. Come on, 17 of you. Just everyone asks a friend. Maybe we'll get 3 more. I'll try also. I'll see you soon in my next video. I was going to say I love you, but it's a bit too much. Too soon, just too soon. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.